What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for financial aid in Coursera. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Coursera. And after that, you will see this first official website of Coursera. Simply click on it. And after clicking, you will be redirected to the uh, page which has the login option. You will be redirected to the login page basically of Coursera. Just simply sign up or log in with Coursera with your email and password. And after that, it will ask you some simple questions. Just answer these questions and then you will be welcome to Coursera. Now, after coming to the home page of Coursera, just choose a course. Selecting the course, you will see the option of financial aid here. If the course is paid, it will say that the course is paid. And when you see it is paid, you will see the option of get financial aid or not here. Just simply scroll a bit down and then you will see it here to get the financial aid. And after that, click on that and then give your legitimate reason for the financial aid, like your financial problems or something else, but give a legitimate reason. And after that, you can apply for that financial aid in Coursera. And then the Coursera software will review your financial aid and then give you that particular course for free. That is how you can apply for a financial aid in Coursera. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.